Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 17th to 21st November 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So here we can see 0.12% negative move, 1.16190 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body, small lower wick and a medium upper wick. Currently if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around oversold area which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news and important events, that and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any such weekly analysis video. Currently here we can see a good amount of important support and resistance zone that we have already marked during a previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark anything. We'll just talk about the closing here. So here 1.16190 was the closing on Friday. Here the direct support is 1.16000 and direct resistance is 1.16457. After direct support, there is a support of 1.15500 and then 1.15079. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.16827 and then 1.17168. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description, 3 prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a live withdrawal payout request video as well, so that you get to know that these prop firms do also pay you. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum or closing, I'm expecting a negative move that is in this range, that is 1.15500 to 1.16000. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. If you're going for any long, then only go for a long trade once 1.16457 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long till 1.16827. Overall, my expectations are a bit negative. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.